And it is very likely, just to break the news to you right now, very likely the beginning of what will be a 3-month-long heat wave. Barring a tropical storm or maybe a hurricane that'll come in and give us some relief. That could happen, but not necessarily. Today, 100 degrees, the high temperature, tied the record at Camp Mabry. 98 degrees, tied the record at ABIA. So we're counting days up now. Don't like it when we start doing this, but that's the way it is. 8 days out of the last 14. About a 2-week heat wave. Now, this spring overall has been the hottest we've seen in Austin history. But in terms of being consistently 10-plus degrees and record-setting, about the last 2 weeks is where we're going to call the beginning of this heat wave now. 6th 100-degree day this spring already. That is half of the total number of 100-degree days we see in an average summer, about a dozen. Remember 2009, we had 68 100-degree days, our hottest summer in Austin history 2 summers ago. Well, at this point, we hadn't even hit 100 degrees yet that year. In fact, it was June 13th before we even hit our first 100-degree day back in that sizzling summer of 2009. 99 degrees is where we are right now. We're partly cloudy. At 8 o'clock tonight, 95. And at 10 p.m. tonight, 88 degrees with partly cloudy skies. Out in the hill country, 99 in Llano, 99 in Marble Falls. The Llano Airport temperature not available this hour, but I can tell you an LCRA thermometer just outside of Llano is reading 103 right now. 97s across much of our area at this hour. Still 99 in Cedar Park, metro area that is. In our eastern counties, looking at about 93 in Giddings to 98 down in Luling. You've had a little rain the last couple days in the Giddings area, which explains why you're just a tad cooler. And that really explains a lot about our heat wave. When you get rain, you're not that hot. When you get a drought and you dry out, you don't have the soil moisture and the greener vegetation to absorb some of this heat, and it will be reflected, and we will be hotter than we otherwise would be. And that's what I'm afraid we're going to see all summer long if we don't see something to give us a little relief from the drought. 99 at Mabry and 97 at ABIA. Skies are partly cloudy. Winds are only 5-6 miles an hour. 8:31 is sunset tonight. Allergy forecast hasn't changed. Mold still high and grass still low. And the whole state is hot. Look out there in West Texas, hundreds just about everywhere from Amarillo down to San Angelo, all the way to Laredo. Showers, not nearly as many flaring up on the radar this afternoon. In fact, none of them reaching our viewing area. We're not alone. This big bubble of heat stretches all the way up into the Twin Cities. Minneapolis hit 103 degrees today. 103 in Minneapolis, hotter than in Austin. That's the first time they've hit 103 there since July 1940. Well, there it is, the future, everything rotating around us. This little system in the Caribbean has really gotten sheared apart today by some upper-level winds that have been a little faster, and so real small chance of it developing now. Okay, let's get to the forecast tonight. Low 70s tomorrow, back into the upper 90s, maybe a degree or two off today's highs. 73 tonight. Tomorrow, let's go partly cloudy and 98. We'll try to keep it below 100. And the temperatures may fluctuate a degree or two here or there, but overall, over the next 7 days, either hot or hotter, and no rain in the forecast.